Why does manufacturing matter to me? I think I could break it down into two different things. First would be family. So both of my grandfathers actually worked in manufacturing in their early years, and one of them actually made a career out of it. And he kind of got my whole family started, both my mom and my dad, as well as my mom's sister, so my aunt and her husband as well, my uncle. So we owe a lot to my grandpa and him getting started in manufacturing. Um, and the second reason as to why manufacturing matters to me is because it is the backbone of society as we know it. I guarantee you that any product that you can pick up from a grocery store, a furniture store, anything, it has a story to it, and in that story, along the line somewhere, is something to do with manufacturing. And I think it has such a big impact on our lives that we don't even know about. And moving forward, that's why we need to be very adamant about getting the younger generation involved and providing them opportunities to get into manufacturing. So I think that's why manufacturing is.